Step number 6, monitor your campaign carefully. As I've mentioned previously, it's always a good idea to run several ads at once. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. You may get all excited about a particular image. You might even think that it's the best thing since sliced bread, but that's just all in your head. Just because you think an image looks hot, it doesn't mean that everybody else will agree with you, least of which are your target audience members. Run many different images, but use the same headline text and the same call to action and the same landing page. Pick the winning ad and scale up. Ideally, you should just run 6 different images with the same ad, language, same call to action, and then a runaway winner will appear. I'm talking about an ad that just blows all other ads away. Maybe most of your ads would get 10 clicks. This ad got several hundred. That's how you know you have a winner on your hands. That's a runaway winner. The problem is runaway winners are few and far between. Usually the difference between variations don't exceed 10 to 25%. You're lucky if it goes over that threshold. This is why I suggest that you keep running image variations until you get a runaway winner. That's when you know that the image is spot on. Optimizing beyond ad image. Now that you've found your runaway ad image winner, you should optimize all the other elements. Use the same variation process to create different text for the ads. Pick the runaway winner in terms of the ad descriptions, and repeat this process until you can't improve the click-through rate anymore. Next, you should optimize the landing page. This will impact your conversion and make variations of the different landing pages.